Alright then, so we're pretty much done with this project, but there's one more thing I want to do, and that is to give the user a rank based on their reaction time. So if they get a really good reaction time, which is maybe less than 250 milliseconds, then they might get a rank like Ninja Fingers, which is a good rank. If they get something which is between 400 and 600 or something like that, we can say maybe Rapid Reflexes. Anything else would be slow, right? So let's create that rank based on how quick they are, based on that reaction time, and then output it in the results component. So let us go to the results component, and inside here I'm going to do a data property first of all, and that is going to return the object we need, which will have a property rank, and it's going to be null to begin with. Now we need to also update that rank based on the score, and I'm going to do this inside the mounted hook. And remember, this fires as soon as the component is mounted to the DOM, and that's when we want to update the rank so we can show it. So I'm going to now check the score. So I'll say if, and then this dot score, which we have access to because of the prop, and if that is less than 250 milliseconds, then we'll give them a good rank. So I'll say this dot rank is equal to Ninja Fingers. All right. Now we'll do an else and say if this dot score is less than 400, then we'll say this dot rank is equal to Rapid Reflexes, and then we'll do an else clause at the end and say this dot rank is equal to Snail Pace. All right, so when this mounts to the DOM, we look at the score, and if it's really quick, if it's less than 250 milliseconds, they get a good rank, and we update that property. If it's not less than 250 milliseconds, but it is still less than 400, they get this rank, and if it was slower than 400 milliseconds, then they get this rank. Now we also want to output that up here, so let me do that. I'm going to say P and give this a class actually, equal to rank, so I can style it, and we'll just output the rank like so. Okay, so now let me also just add a few styles at the bottom, which I'm going to paste in like so. So we're targeting the rank right here, and we say the font size is 1.4 ems to make it bigger, a color of that green the same as the box, and font weight of bold. Now while I'm styling, I also just want to add a few styles to the button on the home page, or rather inside the app component. And that's this button right here to start a new game. So let me also paste in a few styles for that. And the very simple styles, we're just saying that the button should have a green background, text white, no border, bit of padding, border radius to soften up the corners. The font size is 16, bit of letter spacing, cursor is pointer, which is that little hand, and the margin is 10 pixels. And when it's disabled, we're going to give it a opacity of 0.2, so it's faded out, and the cursor is not allowed. So we'll see that in a second. All right, so let's give all of this a try. I'm going to play, and you can see I can't press it again, and that's the new style. When I click on this, if it appears, then you can see my reaction time is 380 milliseconds. It's not output the rank, which is right here. That's because I'm outputting a tank. I don't know what that is. So let me save this, and I'm going to refresh, press play, and try this again. Click on that, and you can see that was a snail pace. Okay, I want to do that again because I need to get a better time. Okay, Rapid Reflexes, that's a bit better, and I was on the cusp. If I got it 1 millisecond faster than that, then I would have been Ninja Fingers, but it wasn't to be. Anyway, that is our first project created.